Good morning and Assalamu alaikum class. How are you all? Hopefully you're fine and doing great at your home with your families. Okay, tell me, how was your day yesterday? Are you enjoying your stay at home or are you missing your school? If you are missing your school, that you should be prepared because our school will be open soon, inshallah. Okay, now tell me one more thing. As you know that your final term exams are approaching, have you completed your all work? Okay, if there is any missing work, you can complete now. So let's start our today's topic. But before that, we have to mention classwork, and after that date, which is Thursday, 21st of January 2021. It's grade 5 lecture and it's English literature lecture. I am your English teacher Anam. Your textbook is read now. Topic Galert the Gallant Hound. Exercise number 2, answer these questions. As you know that we have already completed our 8 questions yesterday, so now we will continue from question number 9. So what comes to your mind when you look at this picture? Obviously you have read the story before, and now you can see in the picture that the dog is hurt, the wolf is dead, and the prince or the king is sad. Now move to our topic. Okay, our exercise is answer these questions. So what was the question number 9? Question number 9 is what was overturned during the fight? If you remember, during the fight of the dog or sorry hound or the wolf, what overturned? Yes, the cradle was overturned during the fight. What happened to the baby? The baby tumbled out of the cradle, but luckily he got no harm. How did the gallant hound overcome the wolf? After the great fight, the gallant hound gripped his enemy by the throat and inflicted a fatal wound. Now look at this. As you can see in the picture that they are fighting with each other, and how the gallant overcome the wolf. After the great fight, the gallant hound gripped his enemy by the throat and inflicted a fatal wound. There was a wound. Okay, we don't have sufficient picture in this chapter, so I am showing just pictures which are available. Okay, let's move to the next question. When Llewellyn returned, why was he surprised at the Galert? Why was he surprised? Usually, dogs have habit to greet their owner at the door. Okay, but uh, Galert didn't greet his master at the door. So why was he surprised? Was surprised that Galert did not rush to give his usual greetings. Describe what he saw when he looked into the tent. What he saw when he looked into the tent. If you remember the picture I showed you at the start of today's lecture, you can understand. When he looked into the tent, everything was in a state of confusion and the cradle was overturned. The cradle was overturned. Now, the next question. Why did Llewellyn notice? What did Llewellyn notice on the dog's mouth and neck? He noticed that dog's mouth and neck were red with blood. Obviously, he had a great fight. That's why the dog's mouth and neck were red with blood, and it was dog's blood or wolf blood. Why did he kill the hound? He misunderstood that dog had killed his son. Did dog kill his son? No, dog didn't kill his son. So now, after so much confusion, what he find out that his baby was alive. As you can see in this picture, that the baby was alive, and now he is ashamed of his deed. What he has done with his dog? He killed his dog for nothing. Okay, so this was our topic for today. If you have any question regarding your topic, you can contact me, and you know how to contact me. Okay, so take care. Allah Hafiz.